Hey guys, so if you like to play the game Fishdom, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Fishdom with unlimited money for 2026. So let me just open it up right here and I'm going to show you guys. So as you can see, we are not exactly doing the best. We are pretty broke. You can see I got 1,000, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited diamonds. So I just turned it up all the way. So let's see if the diamonds start going up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. It's not talkable. Can't talk about it. But bang, 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 look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is go over to tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. So once you're there, guys, just head for the search bar, type in Fishdom, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So just download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So that's how to do it, guys. So it's pretty wild. So if you like Fishdom, you're going to be in love with this mod because it actually works. Free money, free fish, it's all here. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you hate Fishdom because you have no money in the game, the times have changed and now you're going to be the most rich Fishdom player there is. And you can see the little Apple and Android logos, so it works on both. But you just want to download 2 of these apps. I'm not sure what apps will show up for you, but you just need to do 2. So you can see we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So it's like a game. So just do 2 of them.